Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some weather signs.
ASL keyword sign weather. Let's try weather. One more. Weather. Like two W's. ASL keyword sign sun. Let's try sun. One more. Sun. ASL keyword sign rain. Let's try rain. One more. Rain.
You're doing great.
ASL keyword sign cloud. Let's try cloud. One more. Cloud. ASL keyword sign wind. Let's try wind. Should we do a really strong one more? Wind.
Nice signing.
Keyword sign snow. Let's try snow. One more. Snow. ASL keyword sign hot. Let's try hot. One more. Hot. ASL keyword sign cold. Let's try cold. One more. Cold. ASL keyword sign rainbow. Let's try rainbow. One more. Rainbow. ASL keyword sign thunder. Let's try thunder. One more. Thunder.
Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together.
Weather. Let's try weather. Sun. Let's try sun. Rain. Let's try rain. Cloud. Let's try cloud.
Keep signing.
Wind. Let's try wind. Snow. Let's try snow. Hot. Let's try hot.
You're doing great.
Cold. Let's try cold. Rainbow. Let's try rainbow. Thunder. Let's try thunder.
Shall we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady.
Weather. Sun. Rain. Cloud. Wind. Snow. Hot. Cold. Rainbow. Thunder.
Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.